we have a causative pattern, then paano ba natin ito gamitin? So, ang meaning nito is to make or to let somebody to do something. So una, gamitin natin ito. So dapat alam natin kung paano siya mag-conjugate. So i-conjugate natin ang mga verb natin into causative. So we have a group 1. So remove must, make as sounds, at the remaining last mora. Anong ibig sabihin? For example, si ikimas, tatanggalin natin si mas, then yung mora na natitira sa kanya is sounds letter E, which is i-change natin into sounds letter A. So magkakaroon tayo ng ika. Okay? So si yumimas, remove si mas, then yung mi, i-change natin sa A sounds, so magiging yoma. Then dadagdag natin si semas or seru. That's why si ikimas magiging ika plus semas, it become ikasemas. Yomimas, yoma plus semas magiging yomasemas. Okay, so meron ako ditong group 1, ichiri, mibini, kigishi. Okay, so paano natin ito i-conjugate into causative form? Okay, for example, we have a aimas, it become awasemas. Machimas become matasemas. Si torimas change into torasemas. Yomimas become yomasemas. Asobimas, it become asobasemas. Shinimas, it will be shinasimas. Kakimas become kakasemas. Oyogimas, it become oyogasemas. Si hanashimas become hanasasemas. So, ganyan po ang pag-conjugate sa group 1. Ang checkpoint po natin dito, ito po yung mga verb na hindi natin pwedeng gamitin or i-conjugate into causative form. For example, si nawakarimas, naurimas, tarimas, bekimas, narimas, arimas, at kung ano-ano pa. Kasama dyan yung mga potential verb natin or yung mga potential form verb natin. Okay po? So ngayon, punta tayo sa conjugation sa group 2. So, sa group 2, remove mas plus sasemas or saseru. For example, we have a tabemas. Remove natin si mas, then dadagdagan lang natin ng sasemas. It become tabe sasemas. Si mimas naman, so dadagdagan lang natin siya ng simas pagkatagkal ng mas. So, it become misasemas. So, ganun lang po yung pag-conjugate natin sa group 2. Okay, so we have a mimas. So, i-change natin. Mesasemas. Shirabimas become shirabe sasemas. Then, punta naman tayo sa conjugation ng group 3. Okay, sa conjugation ng group 3, we have two kinds of verb, which is si shimas and si kimas. Si shimas, gagawin natin siya as sasemas. Then si kimas, it will be kosasemas. So, jishimas, for example, soji sasemas. Mottikimas, motte kosasemas. Okay. So, ngayon, gamitin natin siya into sentence pattern. So, una, dapat ang verb na gagamitin natin into causative form is yung mga intransitive verb. Okay? Then, yung particle wa natin, sila yung magiging director of the action. And the particle o, which is the person, second person, it will become a actor. Okay? So, ang mag-uutos dito or yung bibigay na instruction is yung director natin which is naka-particle wa, and yung gaganap ng actor dito or yung gaganap ng action is yung particle o, person. Ang meaning nito is to make or to let somebody to do something. For example, I make my little sister to go shopping. So, alamin natin kung sino ang director natin dito. So, ang director natin dito is si I. So, it become watashi wa. And our actor or yung doer of the action is si little sister, imoto o, particle o, para sa actor natin. Then, our intransitive verb is go shopping. So, kaimono ni ikimasu. So, gagamitin natin siya in causative form, it become ikasimasu. So, we have a watashi wa imoto o kaimono ni ikasimasu. I make my little sister to go shopping. Watashi wa imoto o kaimono ni ikasimasu. Another example, I let my child play in the park. The director is I, so we have a watashi wa, and the actor is your children, so kodomo wo. And our verb is asobimasu, so koende asobimasu. So change into causative form, so it become asobasemasu. Watashi wa kodomo wo koende asobasemasu. I let my child play in the park. Okay, another example. My boss let me take an absent. My boss let me take an absent. So the director is your boss. So bucho wa. Then watashi o. Then take an absent is yasumimasu. So causative form it become yasumasete itadakimashita because hiningi mo siya, no? Yasumasete itadakimashita. So ginamit natin dito si itadakimashita because ang director natin dito is your boss, no? Okay. So ngayon, gagamitin naman natin sa another form or another pattern is yung transitive. So kanina, intransitive. So ngayon, gagamitin naman natin ang mga transitive verb. Okay? So si particle wa, siya yung magiging director. And the actor, it become particle ni. Then, we have an object, particle o. Okay? So, the meaning is to make or let somebody to do something. So, same lang nung kanina. Kaya lang nagkaroon tayo dito ng object because our verb is transitive verb. Example, I make my little sister to buy a bag. I make my little sister to buy a bag. So, the director is I. So, we have a watashi wa. And the actor is also sister, imoto ni. Then, our verb is to buy a bag. So, we have an object. So, kaban o kaimasu. So, change into causative form. So, kawasemasu. Watashi wa imoto ni kaban o kawasemasu. I make my little sister to buy a bag. Okay, another example. I make my little brother to carry my luggage. The director is watashi wa, and the actor is ototo ni. Then, your object is the luggage, which is nimotsu wo. Then, transitive verb is to carry, hakobimasu. So, change into causative form, it become hakobasemasu. Okay? Another example. I make my child clean his or her room. The director is ako, watashi wa. And the actor is also the child, kodomo ni. So, our transitive verb is to clean the room, heya wo, so jishimasu. So, change into causative form, it become soji sasemasu. Soji sasemasu, so group 3. So, we have a watashi wa, kodomo ni, heya wo, soji sasemasu. Okay, so sometimes, ginagamit din natin itong pattern na to pag hinihingi naman natin. So, please allow me to do it. So, the director is kung sino yung mag-a-allow sa'yo at yung watashi ni, ikaw yung gagawa. So yarimasu, we have a yarimasu, so change into causative. Then we have also the word please. So it become yarasete kudasai. Yarasete kudasai because we have a please. Okay, so let's try our example here. I make Mr. Miller bring the papers. I make Mr. Miller bring the papers. Watashi wa mirasan ni shiryo o motte kosasemasu. Watashi wa mirasan ni shiryo o motte kosaseru. I let my child to use the computer. I let my child to use the computer. Watashi wa kodomo ni computer o tsukawasete agemashita. The teacher made students do lots of homework. The teacher made students do lots of homework. Sensei wa gakusei ni shukudai wo takusan sasemashita or saseta. So, sensei wa gakusei ni shukudai wo takusan saseta or yaraseta. Okay, so we try an example here. My friend made me laugh. Tomodachi wa watashi wo warawaseta. Okay? My parents made me to go to university. Haha wa watashi wo daigaku ni ikasemashita. My boss let me take an absent. Buchu wa watashi wo yasumasete moraimashita. Next, I'm going to let or make the teacher come to my birthday party. Watashi no tanjoubi ni sensei o kosasemasu. Or, watashi no tanjoubi ni sensei o kosaseru tsumuru desu. Okay? Then our last example, please let me go to the party. Okay? Watashi o pate ni ikasete kudasai. Watashi o pate ni ikasete kudasai. Okay, so we have a checkpoint here. Okay? So meron tayo dito example, I made my child run. Okay? I made my child run. So, watashi wa kodomo o hashirimasu. Watashi wa kodomo o hashirimasu. So it become watashi wa kodomo o hashirasemashita. Hashirasemashita. Okay. So dapat natin maintindihan dito na ang verb na ginamit natin dito is to run, which is intransitive verb. So this is an intransitive verb, so our second person is particle o. Okay? But this is not a checkpoint. So dahil intransitive verb yung ginamit natin dito, so si kodomo is particle o. But pag nilagyan natin ng street dito, or nung place para dun sa verb. So, kahit na siya ay isang intransitive verb, so yung person natin dito is papalitan natin ng ni. Then, ilalagay natin dito yung place. So, it marks particle o. Okay? So, siya na yung magkakaroon ng particle o. Then, yung second person natin is particle ni. Then, followed by our verb. Watashi wa kodomo ni michi o hashirasemashita. I made my child run on the street. Okay? So, dapat kahit na intransitive verb yung iyong ginamit, so kapag involved ang place na kinakailangan ng particle o, so yung second person natin dito is particle ni. Okay? So, sana naintindihan ang paggamit ng ating causative verb. At sana, kung kayo ay mayroon natutunan dito, so, bigyan nyo naman ako dyan ng isang thumbs up and isang subscribe na rin para sa mga bago. So, salamat po.